Use high-quality lossless format for your reference tracks. For example, you can buy from Beatport. Do not confuse yourself with many reference tracks. Keep it at maximum of 2 or 3, preferably just one reference track in the same key as your song. EDM tracks loudness is often between -8 to -6 dBrms, so make sure to lower the volume of your reference track to achieve correct mixing decisions. Use remix stems as reference. For example, you can analyze the EQ spectrum of each element. And also compare the loudness of each element to help you achieve a balanced mix. Use EQ band in your reference mixing. The possibilities are endless. Pro tip: compare the stereo width with your reference tracks. Finally, EQ matching could be helpful in final mixdown or mastering, but do not rely on this fully. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like. If you did not like the video, so why the f are you still watching?